we go. We're rolling in hot, man. Saturday morning, man. Welcome back to the channel. Anyway, I guess it's about 11 o'clock on Saturday. This property's called in some cars to yank. And Saturdays are a lot more complicated. Everybody's always home on Saturdays, so this ought to be fun here. That could be one of them right there. We'll find out. I gotta drop by the office and talk to the office personnel and find out exactly which ones he wants to tow. I see another one down there too. I've already seen two, and I just pulled in the gate. We'll see what happens, but we're gonna tow something. I guarantee that. Oh, I just talked to the property management, and got a few over here. Might have might have problems. We'll find out. Anyway, let's get it. Anyway, you can tell by that parking place that car hadn't been moved in a while. But like I said, you can't never tell. You can't never tell what the entitlement mentality people have. You stick with that car, they'll still think they better not come try to tow my car. That's the first thing that a lot of people assume that they ain't gonna tow better not tow my car. Cars get towed every day. That's just how it is, man. People don't like it, but ain't no way around it. And these properties I have to tow, I've told everybody in this channel, even the people that make the sleazy type word comments. What's sleazy is this car here is double parked in 2 parking spaces. Got a flat tire, double parked. Well, I guess you can park in that other space there, but that's what people do. They take up more than one space with a car that don't even run. And that's pretty sleazy if you ask me. That's what I think. I think people need to have a little more courtesy than that. Anyway, we're gonna drop this one here and back up and grab that other one. Anyway, let's get on it. I got to take these up here to the office. I got to put straps on them, and I got to put running lights on the car. Right now I'm trying to get away from the building. Get away from any crossfire. Get out of gunshot range. Huh?
When I tell you like Gary Oldman,
yeah.
you get all the time, don't you?
Yeah, I do get that.
There's a white Malibu down there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's been, my tags have been bad for a year and a half now. I was in a car accident, and I'm waiting for them to total my car out.
Yeah.
I can't get my tags renewed until.
You know what? Hey, you know the guy that runs the office. Yeah. If you talk to him, he's as long as he knows whose car it is and everything. Like these here, these two here, hey, they're double parked, man, abandoned, just terrible. if your car's in presentable condition and you talk to him and communicate with him, he probably ain't gonna tow you, man. Because they're pretty, I mean, they're pretty lenient here.
I've told them this. They know this.
Yeah.
I don't know why I got a sticker
Yeah.
today. And I thought
Just talk to him, because he's trying to get the one people that moved out. Like these people, this guy here, this Florida tag here, man, ain't nobody even. I mean, see that parking space, man. This dirt piled up on the parking space. Stuff like that is what they're moving. So just talk to him. He that's up to him what they tell.
With the glasses just walked by?
Yeah, he's real nice, man. Just let him know. He probably don't know whose car it is. That's probably what it is. He don't know it's your car. Or they forgot. Different people do different stuff. Security officers or whoever with stickers may not know that you've already been up here. If you communicate with them, you got a good chance of not getting towed.
It's funny because like yesterday I get a phone call that they're finding by the consent of my case too. So I should be good afterwards.
Yeah, and you could call insurance too if they're gonna pay you for the car or whatever. You call them and tell them, look, man, this is fixing to get towed. We need to square it up, you know. Yeah. Especially, insurance is slow. I'm not sure if I think he's by himself, but they just talk to him, let him know, and he'll tell us, hey, right now we're not towing it right now. That's for later. You know what I'm saying? That's why they sticker. They give you more time. These were stickered yesterday or the day before. Okay. So he gives you time. He's not just going to tow without you knowing. He gave him time. Yeah. Have a good one, sir. Hey, take care, man. Anyway, that gentleman there, he got stickered, man, but he's trying to take care of it. He's got a car that got wrecked. He's waiting on insurance to settle out on the car. And that's a prime example of what you're supposed to do if you get a sticker in your car on your car, and you legitimately are waiting on an insurance claim or something like that. Man, you need to communicate with your office manager. Let them know what's going on. Let them know that you are working on the situation and that you're not ignoring it. You communicate. That's a prime example. If you communicate with your manager, and he did what he's supposed to do. He showed up and asked me, and I instructed him who to talk to, which is, it's up to the managers, property management, what they do with the car, with his situation. But every situation is different. Sometimes people, sometimes insurance companies are bad about waiting on paying out on a claim. But you can tell he's got a new car. His old car, he's waiting on insurance to get it, whatever. And communication is everything in this business, and also going about it in a professional manner, which is what he did. He wasn't even mad. He just walked up and politely asked me what was going on. It was really cool. And that's what you do. That's how you be professional, man, and you get respected in the business world and anywhere you're at. If you act professional, man, you get respect by acting like that. That's the way the real world works. People think you get respect by acting hard, man. That shit don't work in a business environment. You get respected by being professional, man. And that's what a lot of people need to learn. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next. Peace. Hey, we're rolling back in. We got one more on this property here. We got a yank. See how number 3 here goes. But we may wind up in a confrontation here. We'll see. I hope not, but this car's been sitting. This Mustang been sitting there for a minute. So let her. How you doing? What do you mean? With what?
So many cars coming out of the neighborhood. I didn't know.
Yeah, they've been sitting. They've been sitting too long.
Well, I have a car here and I drive it sometimes in a while. I don't drive it all the time.
Which one is it?
I just don't drive it. I have that one and I drive it like once in a while, not every day.
Yeah.
I just want to be sure that it's not, one of my
Who are you here to pick up?
I'll pick that red Mustang right there.
That's my car. Yeah, why? They said it had a flat. I put the...
I don't know. I can get out and look, man.
I just don't drive it off.
I picked it up with air.
Yeah, tag's good on it.
No, I took it and I got a nail on it.
He didn't. I tell you what happened. He didn't know you pumped it up.
Oh, okay.
See the one over there. See the space over there, all the dirt up underneath it.
I saw
they do like for you to move them.
Oh, okay.
Just because the dirt piles up and it looks really bad.
Okay.
That's why they're towing. They're saying yours got a tag on it. Its tires are pumped up.
Okay, tires.
So that's what I was going to check it. I don't tow until we check them.
Cool.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
How's it going?
I couldn't do it. My husband wasn't here.
That's fine. That's fine.
Appreciate it.
I'll let him know that it's straight. It does. Does it runs? Yeah. If I'll just move it to another space where he knows it runs, and you'll be good. Y'all have a good one. Thanks, sir. Yeah. Take care. Anyway, I just talked to the gentleman that's running the property, And he said that basically that car hadn't moved, and the guy did pump the tire up, but he's going to have to move it out of that parking space and prove to the property manager that the car runs, because he's not going to have junk cars, inoperable cars on this property. They had to reserve the parking places for the people that live here, that drive their cars back and forth to work, and they got to maintain the parking for the people that have valid tags and running vehicles. We're gonna roll back toward the yard. Anyway, sometimes we lose them, sometimes we don't. That's the way it goes. It's real towing, man. Tow reality, man. It ain't no fake. Ain't no fake homemade TV drama. This is real towing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.